Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to use potato to make a face mask which will treat your skin pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars problem. This face mask is really effective in treating the dark spots, skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation as well as in removing acne scars from your skin. This face mask has all the natural ingredients into it which works supremely well in treating all kinds of skin problem, and it will make your skin really bright, glowing, spotless and crystal clear. So the main ingredient of this face mask are potatoes, and potatoes are really good ingredients in treating your skin pigmentation and dark spots. Potatoes have skin lightening as well as skin bleaching properties into it, so it will fade away all the acne scars, pigmentation marks as well as dark spots from your skin and will make your skin crystal clear, glowing and spotless. So now let's see how to prepare this pigmentation and dark spot removal face mask. So to prepare this face mask, we firstly gonna need 2 potatoes. And here I've just cut 2 potatoes into half, and then I'm just going to grate them really nicely using a grater. And if you don't want to grate the potatoes, then you can also grind them to make a smooth paste out of it. And after grating them really nicely, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. And we're going to use these grated potatoes to make our face mask. So now let's start making our face mask, and to prepare our face mask we firstly gonna need sandalwood powder. And here I'm taking approx 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder into a clean bowl. After the sandalwood powder we're going to need olive oil, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of olive oil into it. After adding the olive oil, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and here I am adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, now it's time to add the grated potatoes. And here I am adding 2 teaspoons of grated potatoes into this mixture. Now after adding the grated potatoes, now I'm just mixing all these ingredients really well so that they all mix with each other nicely. And after mixing them well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the raw milk. And here I'm adding approx 2 teaspoons of raw milk into it. And after adding the raw milk, now I'm again mixing all the ingredients really well so that they all combine with each other well and makes a smooth paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade pigmentation and dark spot removal face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. And the consistency of this face mask should be medium, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should look something like this. This face mask has sandalwood, which is a very good ingredient in skin lightening, skin brightening and in skin whitening as well. Sandalwood makes your skin really bright, glowing and radiant, and potatoes are really good in clearing out your skin, and it also treats pigmentation, dark spots and acne scars problem. This face mask has all the ingredients which are really good in making your skin really bright, glowing, spotless, clear, and has amazing anti-aging properties into it. So if you have fine lines, sagging skin, then this face mask will reduce all the fine lines and wrinkles from your skin and will make your skin really bright, glowing, spotless and clear. So now let me tell you how to use this face mask for best results. So you just have to apply a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, and you can use this face mask all over your body for best results. And after applying a thick and even layer of this face mask all over your skin, just leave it to dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. And for best results, you have to use this face mask twice or thrice in a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.